Hi everyone, welcome to another video with me, Laura, and a special guest today, actually.
Hello.
This is Misi, if you haven't seen
Hi,
him
everyone.
before. We've got a little bit of a different video today, and sorry if I'm like sitting a little bit strangely. If you follow me on Instagram, you'll know I broke my ankle a couple of weeks ago, and I needed emergency surgery on my broken bones. So I'm kind of sitting in a very awkward position right now. Anyway, today's video is a little bit different, a little bit later than expected for what we just said, but we want to introduce to you another laser cutter. So we've been playing with laser cutters again.
So this is the longer 3D company Laser Engraver, and we got on the Ray 5 20 watts.
So a 20-watt laser
engraver.
And this one's a little bit different to the last one we talked about in a previous video. This one has a much larger workspace, which is fantastic for working on larger projects, and gives you a lot more flexibility with projects because it's not using a mirror to tilt anything, it's actually moving around.
The huge difference between the oldest and this laser engraver is moving in the XY axis.
Yeah, XY axis.
Y axis. So the laser light is touched in vertically, in my direct. So the mirrors is cutting in an angle, but is not. So when you put together the pieces, like then we're talking later about these things.
Yeah. How this relates to craft. So don't click away.
it's absolutely working very well. But I need assembling this laser cutter, installing this laser cutter, because it's arriving with in a part.
Yes, this is like if you're good at putting IKEA furniture together, then this is definitely achievable for you. Misi obviously put this together, which we'll show now because of obvious reasons with my ankle. So
this laser cutter is very good in the price.
Yeah.
So it's very good if would you like start a business, or would you like first time try the laser engraving, would like new aspirants, because it's not too expensive, has a very good price, but of course it's not a professional stuff, so it's absolutely a beginner stuff.
It's a very good balance, isn't it, between good quality and an affordable price, because obviously if you're like, why would you buy a laser cutter or laser engraver? It's absolutely fantastic for crafts, which will show something that we've been developing. But if you don't want to invest loads of money, we don't have loads of money to invest, because obviously laser cutters and engravers can be crazy expensive. This is a really good balance between quality and price. Obviously we don't share rubbish on this channel, only the good stuff.
The cheap price is not means is a rubbish.
And the team have been great, haven't they? The longer team have been really nice.
Yeah, actually the support is working very well.
Even supported me with my ankle break, so that's been really lovely.
Yeah. Thank you so much. So first we need assembling and installing the stuff, and I'll show you guys and coming back soon.
Over to Misi for that. Let's go. So how did you find putting that together? Was it quite easy?
Yeah, it was very easy. In the box have an instruction, step-by-step instruction. If you're following this instruction, it is absolutely easy.
So like all the bits are like numbered, I noticed.
Yeah, have a little package with step numbers and help a lot. I think is a great idea.
We've, obviously they're going to want to know how this is going to be great for if they want to create a little small business and start creating their own craft-related products. So we actually looked at designing a mini loom.
Yeah, I think we would like make some things when related on the yarn, related on the subject of the channel. So I'm designed a mini loom.
So this is still in prototype mode.
Yeah, absolutely, it's a prototype mode.
But we wanted to show a craft-related product that you could make on the laser cutter and engraver. That also we can, if we finalize this design, we can actually share this design on the website for you guys to download. And if you do buy one of these, then you can make your own. So from our little blueprint, would be the right word. So, and obviously you've done some laser engraving here as well on the little comb. Yeah. So you made a comb and a needle. Okay, so maybe the little pegs are a little bit close together, but the idea is, so I'm just using a cotton yarn and starting the beginning process. Let's skip ahead. Don't want it too tight, but let's skip ahead to the end, and then we need to find another yarn to weave with. Okay, so we have our basic structure. So we have another color. I'm going to go for the same cotton, and obviously this is a prototype, so it's a work in progress, but I'm going to cut some yarn and we're going to use this little needle. So if you have any suggestions for a better way of doing this, then just let us know. Just wanted to create a fun craft project using the laser cutter. And then I think we need to develop something that separates the yarns up and down. So to speak to Missy about that, but then we're going to weave. So yeah, maybe these are a little close together. Ta-da. And then we're going to pull that through. It's a lovely smell of wood. And leave a little bit of a tail this end. And then we're going to use our little comb and just push that down gently. So yeah, we may need to develop something to lift up the yarns so I don't have to guess which way to do it all the time. But then we go back in the opposite direction. And then pull that through. I'm going to leave a little loop at the end here. Just push that down. Now, I'm not a looming expert, but there we go, it actually works. Which is great. Maybe a thicker yarn would be better, but we'll do a few more rows and see what it looks like.
So here we go.
I actually started again because obviously I'm not an expert at looming by any means. I found the thinner blue yarn didn't work so well. So I tried some chunkier yarn and yeah, it worked really, really well. So I'm really chuffed with how this came out. Great job. I think the only thing I would add is something to separate the yarns.
This is the next step.
We can feed it through easier.
So just a few words about the laser cutter. It is absolutely working well. Yeah, it is a beginner stuff, but I think it's working very well.
I think it's fantastic. I mean, look, this is brilliant. So. One
thing when I've noticed is not a huge problem. The Wi-Fi connection is not strong enough. But anyway, I not recommended using the laser engravers with Wi-Fi connection because if the Wi-Fi connection
you
is
might
used,
lose your design as it goes to the machine. So
So
it takes a SD card.
Yeah, I have an SD card and the USB connection is working very well.
Misi is also working on some other amazing craft-related designs on the laser cutter.
Bowl.
A yarn bowl. He's designing a yarn bowl. But if you guys have any ideas of what you would like Misi to design and us to make on the laser cutter for crafts in particular, then do let us know in the comments below. And everything you need to know about this laser cutter you'll also find in the description below if you want to check it out. If you're thinking of investing in one yourself for your craft business, then I highly recommend it.
So thank you so much for watching this video.
Yeah, I hope you enjoyed. Something a little bit different, so...
Really huge thank you for the Happy Berry Plus members.
As always, a huge thank you.
This way.
To the Happy Berry Plus members for helping make these videos possible. That you guys are fantastic. Do check out our monthly subscription for extras. But yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this different type of video. We want to do more videos that are a little bit different. And let us know if you want to see more of Misi as well on the channel. We do have a new series coming where I'm going to be teaching you to crochet.
How working this?
So subscribe for that, if anything. I think it'll be a great way for if you're a beginner watching, then it'd be a great way for me to answer your problems in real time.
Never crocheting.
But also if you're an avid crocheter, then it'll just be fun and entertaining to watch and watch Misi's crochet journey happen. And hopefully my weaving will improve over time as well. So but yeah,
see you next time.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and we'll see you soon for some more crochet crafting fun. Thanks for watching. Bye.